Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Day number 13 guys, or day number 14, getting my days mixed up. Day number 14 on my Thanksgiving Day menu. And I don't know about you guys, but me and my family kind of moving away from whole turkeys on Thanksgiving. So I'm just going to be doing some turkey wings. And I'm going to show you guys how I make my oven baked turkey wings with gravy. Got me a little green onions and green bell pepper and onion over there in my bowl. And I'm just going to go ahead and get my turkey wings all seasoned up. And these turkey wings are huge guys. You might not like the big ones like this, but definitely get your smaller ones. I'll have your butcher to just cut them in half, but I like them big and whole just like this. Get out of here, I'm trying to get my mic ready. Okay, so I get it seasoned up with a little black pepper. And I'm going to hit it with this onion powder. Microphone keeps wanting to fall off. There we go. Alright. Then once I get that onion powder on there nice and heavy, I'm going to come in here and hit it with a little bit of smoked paprika. Alright, once I get that smoked paprika down, I'm going to hit it with some of this seasoning salt that I have right here. I'm not going to hit it with too much of the seasoning salt because I am going to be using some of that chicken bouillon powder, and that has salt in it also, so I'm going to be careful not to over season it, but you definitely want it to be seasoned pretty good. Turkey is such a bland meat guys, and you really got to make sure that you have that thing seasoned nice and well. Alright, so I'll get some of this chicken bouillon powder down inside here, and I like seasoning it inside of the pan because that extra seasoning is going to help to make sure that your gravy is seasoned also, so you don't have to go back and really do too much re-seasoning of this. Alright, so all I'm going to do now is just give this thing a nice mix. Make sure that all of it is covered well with my seasonings. You want to be able to see that this thing is seasoned guys. You don't want any corners unturned with this. Gonna get all of that up. And that was the hardest part. Everything else is easy. You're just going to put this thing in the oven. After I add my onions and bell pepper to it, if I can get it situated in the pan and quit playing around with it. Alright, so I'll get this one into place, and then we're going to go ahead and add our onions and bell pepper to it. I'm just going to spread those around also. Alright, so once I get those in, then I'm going to come in here and add me, this is 1 cup of water and a little bit of kitchen bouquet. That's going to help to make my gravy because this turkey wing is going to give off a little liquid itself. Alright, so we get that in, give my pan a little tilt so that that kind of gets all down on the bottom. And then this thing is going to go in the oven guys, 350 degrees, and I'm going to let this cook for about 2.5 hours. These are much bigger wings, so they're going to need to cook at least 2.5 hours, and I'll be back to show you how it comes out. Alrighty guys, so after about 2 hours and 10 minutes, this is how my turkey wings look. And I'm just going to check for tenderness. When this tip gives a little like that, it's getting nice and tender. So I just made me a flour slurry guys, and that's going to thicken my gravy for me. And then I put it back in the oven for about another 20 minutes uncovered. And after I did that, they came out looking absolutely wonderful like this. Nice gravy. We could just skim that excess all off of the top. But other than that, this came out great, guys, and I'm going to do a little taste test for you. Alright guys, coming in with a quick taste test here. I'm not going to even plate this up or anything. Just going to do a quick little taste test for you guys. I'm coming right off of this back part right here. Oh, that's so tender, matter of fact. Let me show you how tender this is. Look at how it's sitting in that nice good brown gravy like I like it. Look at that. Oh, that's gonna be so good. Then, nice beautiful brown color to it from that gravy. Still hot, still hot. I'm talking about I'm so chewy like that. I mean, that is flavored. Oh, that's seasoned so perfectly. So nice and tender. I can tell that gravy is good and seasoned also. I'm not going to do anything else with that except put it on some rice. That's good. That'll make you slap your mama and dare your daddy to do something about it. No, guys. Don't anybody slap their mama on Thanksgiving over these turkey wings. Now, nobody wants to go to jail on Thanksgiving. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and leave a comment. And please subscribe to the channel if you are new. And follow me on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, Twitch TV, and on Pinterest. Cooking and Chilling with Kenny. And I will see you guys in my next video, guys. Don't forget the hashtag. Just be a blessing to someone. Peace.